Today I am coming with a new topic. Can electric vehicles solve our pollution problems? I am Kuchibaby Manuran and you are watching SKBM Videos episode 16. The world fleet of vehicles based on gasoline and diesel engines do notable harm to the environment in terms of emissions. Hence, they are viewed as enemies of environment, and that is why governments are now encouraging environment-friendly electric vehicles. According to the latest forecast, by the year 2025, 20% of all new cars sold globally will be electric. This will leap up to 40% by 2030, and by 2040 virtually every new car sold globally will be electric only. Primary barrier for consumers to buy electric vehicles is the cost, and batteries represent the bulk of the cost. Thanks to lithium ion batteries, as it leads us to a new era of mobility. The high energy density of lithium ion batteries makes them perfect for electric vehicles. Lithium ion battery packs utilize metals that have limited availability on our earth, and that is why they are expensive. Critical raw materials used in manufacturing lithium ion batteries include lithium, graphite, cobalt, nickel, and manganese. Lithium ion batteries don't use elemental lithium. Instead, they contain as cathode a lithium metal oxide such as lithium cobalt oxide to supply lithium ions, and a lithium graphite compound as anode. Cobalt present in these batteries has a stabilizing effect and prevents cathode corrosion that can lead to battery fire. The push to use less cobalt has driven up demand for nickel, as it helps to deliver higher energy density and greater storage capacity at a lower cost. Partial replacement of cobalt by manganese also helps for promising electrochemical performance. The electrolyte used is LiPF6 in an organic solution. The voltage starts at 4.2 maximum and quickly drops down to about 3.7 volts for the majority of the battery life. Battery longevity of new electric vehicles stand at about 1 lakh miles. Chile, Argentina, and Bolivia make up South America's lithium triangle, and they together hold more than 75% of the world's lithium reserves. Cobalt metal is mainly found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Since electric vehicles have fewer moving parts than completely fuel powered cars, they are more energy efficient, and they will help us to save on maintenance. When we buy an electric car, no doubt there is a high upfront cost, but our electric vehicle ends up costing less over a lifetime with big savings on fuel cost, servicing expenses, emission tests, and fewer repairs. Electric vehicles will help a lot to reduce our carbon footprint. While a gasoline or petrol driven car emits roughly 57 metric tons of carbon dioxide during its average lifetime, over the same period, an electric car is responsible only for 28 metric tons of emissions, including all the emissions during its manufacture. Even if electricity is produced by burning coal, as the power plant is far away from population centers, electric vehicles will help us to keep direct pollution away from the population. Another question that may arise in our mind is that, isn't it more efficient to burn fossil fuels directly in a car rather than using them to generate grid electricity and charge vehicles? The answer is no, because power stations are significantly more efficient than car engines, including transmission losses. Over the past decade, prices of solar panels and wind farms have reached all-time lows, leading to hundreds of gigawatts worth new renewable energy generation. So electric vehicles are going to be more environment friendly in the years to come. Electric vehicles are expected to emit cancer causing low frequency electromagnetic fields, but the fields generated are found well within the safety limits. Since the batteries used in electric vehicles are very powerful, after retirement also they can have a second life as energy storage devices for wind or solar or to drive a forklift or a boat. When the battery in an electric vehicle comes to the end of its total life, its green benefits fade. Then all care is needed to avoid ending up of the battery in a landfill, as its cells are flammable and can release problematic toxins including heavy metals. Efficient, profitable recycling technologies are now available to extract the valuable materials like cobalt, nickel, and lithium present in lithium ion batteries back to battery grade materials. As volumes of spent batteries grow, it will also make more financial sense to recycle them. Now we are coming to the bottom line statement. The day our cities are clean from sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and other toxic compounds and particulates are very near. Supporting this transition to electric transportation will help us not only to reduce our carbon footprint but also to fight climate change and global warming, as transport sector is the fastest growing contributor. Since renewable energy options like wind and solar are becoming more and more cheap, electric vehicles are going to become clean from start to finish. With this, I am leaving you. Do you find this video informative? If your answer is yes, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support is really meaningful to me. Thanks a lot, and see you next time with a new topic. A big thank you.